Hey everybody, this is Dr. Tyler Southwell once again. I'm a physician who sees patients, and I've got patients of all kinds. One of the more frustrating diagnoses to carry as a patient is fibromyalgia. One of the things that I try to do in my practice is use natural solutions with low downside risk whenever I can. For years now, I've been using Alpha Therapeutics oral tincture made with our CBD formulation that anecdotally, I've had patients on chronic narcotic use. I've had patients on medications that made them drowsy and out of it all day, but at least they weren't in pain. They were able to get off those medications using CBD. So this is something that I've been convinced in my clinical practice over 4 years now is effective and at least worth a try. So the way you take the tincture that Alpha Therapeutics makes, it comes in a concentration that makes the dosing really easy to understand. So 1 milliliter is equal to 100 milligrams. That's what I recommend as a starting dose for everyone for every reason. So what we do is you put this under your tongue, you swish it around your mouth, and you hold it in your mouth as long as you can stand it, and when you can't stand it anymore, you swallow it. What that does is allows absorption through your mouth and under your tongue that can avoid the metabolism through the liver. The liver is responsible for clearing the CBD out. The goal is to get the pain relief you need and have it last 4 to 6 hours. If it doesn't last that long, then your dose is too low. If it does last that long, then I'd encourage you to try a lower dose the next time you dose. And you can dose it every 4 to 6 hours. You could take it every 2 hours if you so chose, and be unlikely to have any side effects from it at all. Topical that we have also works, especially for fibromyalgia during flares. If you have fibromyalgia, you know it's a migratory pain issue that sometimes you just feel really painful in a certain region. The topical works to block pain receptors and works within 20 to 30 minutes. I personally use it on my body pretty much every day. And I've learned to rely on it for pain relief. If you have fibromyalgia, I encourage you to follow these instructions. Try something safe and natural. Maybe you can get on less medications as a result.